After the input came in of 3 possible Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists in that area, so security agents have heightened vigilance, and this alert has been sounded along the international borders, wherein Jammu, Samba and Kathua are said to be on high security. That has now been tightened along the border. Let's connect with Ankit on this. Ankit, what are we learning through sources? Why high alert has been sounded at the international border?
Yes, the high alert has been sounded at the international border. What we are learning from our sources is that the input has been shared with the sister agencies by the intelligence that there may be 3 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists which can infiltrate into the Indian side, and they are planning for a big terror attack. That's why the security has been tight at the international border, whether it is Samba, Kathua, or the Jammu international border area. The BSF, Jammu Kashmir Police and the security agencies have tightened the whole border area. The input was shared by the security agencies with the sister agencies that there might be a possibility of 3 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists which can infiltrate into the Indian side, and they are planning for a big terror attack. That's why the security has been alert at the border areas of the Jammu, Kathua and the Samba.
All right, this development is now coming in from the international border, where 3 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists are likely to infiltrate, as far as when it comes to this input that has now been received, and all of the agencies have now been put on high alert. Thank you very much, Ankit, for that information. Heading into a short